Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Right now, we're here at Mega World Showroom. Ipapakita ko sa inyo our studio and the one-bedroom unit. But first, ipapakilala ko muna si Uptown Modern. This is Uptown Modern, the newest and the last pre-selling condo here in Uptown BGC. This is a 54-story building, high-end condo. Meron tayo ditong studio, 1 bed, 2 bed, and 3 bedroom unit. This will be ready by June 30, 2031. Right now guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo is the studio unit of Uptown Modern. This one is a 40 square meter. Upon turnover guys, magkakaroon tayo ng smart lock system sa ating door na pwede siya ma-access through keycard, PIN, or tap card. So, tara naman dito. Ito, magkakaroon din tayo ng lagayan ng ating washer and dryer, and also the washer and dryer is kasama na din. Sa layout na to, nandito yung toilet and bath, and here will be our kitchen. Ipakita ko muna sa inyo first ang our toilet and bath. So, this is the toilet and bath. Kung makikita nyo sa side na to, we'll be having the vanity mirror, the faucet, and our lavatory. Kasama na rin yan upon turnover. This is also the drawer is kasama na din. Kasama na rin po yun. And so close na din. Yang kasama na rin tong water storage and the toilet. The bidet is kasama na din. Kung mapapansin nyo, floor to ceiling na rin yung ating wall tiles. Yes, kasama na rin upon turnover yan. And here also, naka-full enclosure na rin tayo sa ating shower area. Dito sa shower area, tara guys, let's go. Yan. Dito sa shower area natin, kasama na rin kung ano nakikita nyo dito, kasama na rin siya upon turnover. Nandito na rin natin what shower set and also the niche. Yan. So, let's go to our kitchen area. And wait, kasama na rin pala din ito. Yan. And kasama na din dito sa ating kitchen area, it will be having the microwave oven, yan, kasama din yan. The drawers, the storage, is kasama na rin yan upon turnover. Ito din, kasama na rin siya, the Goronhay, or ito, tawag dito, range food, and also the induction cooktop. Ang maganda pala dito, yung sa countertop natin is naka-quartz na siya. And here, kasama na rin tong faucet na retractable na rin. Yung sink natin, kasama na. And guess what, guys? Halika kayo dito. Kita nyo, napaka-aesthetic, di ba? And then, kasama na rin tong built-in refrigerator. Yan. Ang kagandahan nito po is talagang marami tayong mga storage areas. Yan. Tara guys, pakita ko sa inyo how big the living area. Wow! Ang laki talaga. And we have also kasama na rin sa pag-turnover is our split type inverter aircon. So makikita nyo, ang laki talaga. Dito yung dining area, pwede natin ilagay dito. Kasya dito hanggang 4 seaters. Yes, dito, pwede na rin siyang dito yung sofa natin, pwede siyang like sofa bed, pwede. Yan. Kagandahan din pala dito is ganyan siya kalawak. And also pala yung flooring natin dito is naka-porcelain plank na siya. So madali lang siyang i-vacuum talaga. And also guys, this unit is interior finish. Upon turnover, this will be a semi-furnished with appliances. So makikita nyo dito, napakalawak talaga. Yun talagang wow. And ito maganda dito pala, guys, kasya dito hanggang king size. Yan. And also, this studio unit, sa sobrang laki niya, is can be convertible to a 1-bedroom unit. And so, also pala guys, kasama na rin pala tong wardrobe. Yeah. Inisip ko pa yun. And advantage pala natin guys, Uptown Modern is still on pre-selling stage. So makakapili tayo ng mga unit size natin. Ang maganda dito, studio has 40 to 45 square meter. So if you want to know more, just contact these details. And kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong video, like, comment, and subscribe now. See you guys!